This is truly impressive. A caring father was worried because his son kept falling off his balance bike. The child loved riding, but even small bumps in the road could cause him to lose balance and tumble. Instead of buying a new bike, the father decided to create a safer and more stable solution himself. The project began by disassembling the balance bike. He removed the cover, control panel, and wheel mounting plates. Using a metal plate, he cut and shaped an L-shaped bracket, then welded square steel tubes together to create a strong T-shaped support structure. Next, he customized several plastic wheels. After mounting them on a drill, he carefully shaped grooves into their surfaces and assembled them into an adjustable wheel system. To improve stability, he attached the wheels to the newly fabricated support bracket and added a mechanism that allowed the wheel spacing to be adjusted as needed. The father then modified 2 bicycle wheels by removing unnecessary components and installing air valves before re-inflating the tires. To increase grip and reduce slipping, he cut strips from an old rubber glove and fitted them around the wheels, creating extra friction where it was needed most. Once all the parts were ready, he mounted the new support system onto the balance bike frame, adjusted the wheel positions, and secured everything firmly in place. The final touches included modifying and reinstalling the mudguard and applying rust-resistant paint to protect the metal components and give the bike a professional appearance. The real test came when the modified bike was taken outside. The results were amazing. The bike remained stable even on uneven ground, making it much easier for a child to control. The added support significantly reduced the risk of falling, while still allowing the young rider to enjoy the fun of riding independently. This clever modification shows how creativity, engineering skills, and a little effort can transform an ordinary balance bike into a much safer and more practical ride for children. What do you think of this amazing upgrade? If 100 points is a perfect score, how many points would you give this modified balance bike? If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more creative DIY inventions, useful modifications, and amazing engineering ideas. See you in the next video!